Architecture in the Indian, ASEAN, Indonesia, and India perspective. Dan kemudian yang kedua, bilateral relation between India and Indonesia. Dua-duanya berada di ruang rapat untuk cluster international relation. Kemudian untuk ruang seminar akan ada dua subtheme. Yang pertama, Human Resources and Sustainable Development in Indonesia and India dengan moderator Bapak Musrizal MA, Universitas Al-Muslim. Dilanjutkan dengan Political Stability in Southeast Asia and its impact on trade and investment in India and Indonesia. Moderator oleh Profesor Dr. Haris Ananta, Universitas Indonesia. Clusternya Economy and Politics. Dan untuk terakhir, ruang 104 akan ada dua subtheme. Yang pertama, The Study on Aging and Mobility, Share Experiences in India and Indonesia dengan moderator Bapak Al-Azhar HSS Universitas Al-Muslim. Kemudian dilanjutkan dengan Education and Tourism, moderator Dr. Halsiah M.Hu Universitas Maluku Saleh, cluster atau pengelompokan Social and Culture. Thank you. And the opening ceremony session of the International Conference is coming to an end. As for me, Master of Ceremony Hilda Fazalina, would like to say thank you very much for your kind attention and good day.
We'd like to invite all of the speakers and also the participants to go down to the ground floor. There will be a mark on the wall to which room you belong to. So please now come go down to the ground floor. Yeah, we have. Okay, we conclude our ceremony here with by reciting the first chapter of the Quran. Everyone, semuanya mohon supaya penduduk acara ini mohon membaca surat Al-Fatihah sekali suara. Al-Fatihah. Sekali lagi kepada semua peserta mohon turun ke bawah. Nanti sudah ada klaster ruangnya masing-masing.